Good morning, all of you. Myself, Rashmi Shah, your SS teacher. Today we are starting with our second session of the chapter number 5, In Search of Peace, Gautam Buddha and Mahavira. Now, in the second topic, we are going to start with the preaching of Gautam Buddha, how he preached, that how he gave his sermon. Sermon यानी उन्होंने अपनी कथा, that is to tell the people about something, what he has on the knowledge. Now, after attaining the enlightenment, Buddha went to Sarnath, where he met his old Brahmin friends. For the first time, he preached to those Brahmin friends at Sarnath. He gave first preaching, that is called Dharma Chakra Parivartan. Now, when he got the enlightenment, that is when he got the knowledge, what he want, on Vaishakhi Poonam at Bodh Gaya, sitting under the peepal tree, he went to Sarnath to give the preaching or to give the sermon, first sermon at Sarnath to his first 5 friends, those who were there, that is where the monks यानी साधु और we can say Brahmins also, they were there. तो उनको उन्होंने preaching दी थी for the first time at Sarnath. Now that first preaching is known as Dharma Chakra Parivartan. That is known as Dharma Chakra Parivartan. He gave a very simple sermon. उन्होंने बहुत डीप में, he has not given such a huge speech or something. He has given a very simple speech, a simple sermon he has given to those 5 Brahmins. Means to get free from the miseries, to get free from your pain, physical or mental pain, whatever you have. So that is sorrows. So उसमें से बाहर निकलने के लिए he has given a simple sermon to them. According to him, there are 4 truths. The first is the world is full of miseries. That is the whole world, in the whole world, everyone is suffering from some of the miseries. यानी miseries यानी दुख हम बोल सकते हैं, right? So that is the thing. Now, the cause of suffering is a greed or a strong desire. The cause of suffering, cause यानी the reason why we are suffering because of our selfishness, to desire something. The cause is what? The reason is we are selfish. Because we are the selfish people, greedy people, to have something, to desire something, not to let go. नहीं अभी कुछ नहीं मिला तो हम जिद करके भी लेते हैं. That is the thing. Destruction of suffering is renunciation. Destruction means to finish everything. To finish everything from the state of pain. We have to finish the pain from our life. That is, we have to reject the pain from our life. We have to be happy. Adoption of octagonal path. Octagonal path means that he has given 8 mark, that is principle. 8 principle. Octagonal, that you know in maths, octagonal is a 8-sided figure, right? So octagonal path यानी अष्टंग मार्ग, that is 8 principle to all of them. To finish your wish, just finish your wish. Don't think of anything. Live your life. Don't think that I want this thing. Don't be selfish. Just go through it in your life. Whatever you will get, enjoy your life. Don't think of anything. Next is, they have given, he has told that 4 truths are explained by Buddha, are known as the Buddhist principle or known as Samayak Darshan. Now Samayak Darshan, here he has given Samayak Darshan यानी क्या है? Samayak Darshan, Samayak means what? A right thing. Samayak means a right thing, a right knowledge, a right faith. Samayak Darshan, that is a right knowledge or a right faith. Samayak sight, that is sight यानी एक particular path, रास्ता जो हम बोल सकते हैं, that thing. Samayak resolve, that is a solution. Samaya speech, a proper speech you have to give. Deeds, to do the proper work, not a wrong thing you have to do. A right work you have to go, to the right path you have to go. Earning, earn in a right way, not in a wrong way. By going to a wrong path and earning is not a good thing. Exercise, do the proper exercise every day so that health will remain fine. Memory, you should try to improve your memory. Your good memory will helpful you a lot. Samadhi means what? Samadhi means a prayer. You have to do the prayer. A proper prayer is also there. Now he has told that Samayak is a Sanskrit word which means properly. Now Samayak means properly. It is a Sanskrit word. Now next topic they have given that Buddha as a great reformer. Now as a great reformer, what he has done? He has brought a great change in the society. He has brought a great change. He worked very long in his life to finish the dirtiness in the society. He had worked very hard to finish the dirtiness from the society, to eliminate the pollutants. Eliminate means to finish the dirtiness from in the religion or in the society, we can say. He made many followers. Disciples yani followers, those who are following him. Many kings and states were encouraged by his human religion. Many of the kings and the people of the state were encouraged by his preaching, by his thoughts. Now he did the following reforms. What he has done? Now see, first one, he has given here Daniel of God and Saul. God and Saul, that is, we can say Bhagwan or Atma ke ka relation. That is what he is trying to tell. Buddha denied God and Saul and gave importance to the कर्माइज्म. कर्माइज्म यानी क्या? उन्होंने क्या बोला है भाई, इफ देर इज अ गॉड देन नो बडी विल बी इन सॉरो. इफ देर इज अ गॉड नो बडी विल हैव सॉरो. ही टोल्ड दैट इफ देर इज अ गॉड, इफ यू थिंक दैट गॉड भी है, भगवान भी है, आत्मा भी है, सब कुछ है, तो हम लोग दुखी क्यों है? हम दुखी है. वाई वी आर दुखी? बिकॉज ऑफ अवर कर्म. वी आर वेरी मच अपसेट बिकॉज ऑफ अवर कर्म, बिकॉज ऑफ अवर डीड्स. हम जो काम करते हैं उसकी वजह से हम लोग दुखी है, ना कि भगवान की वजह से, ना कि कोई आत्मा की वजह से. सो डोंट थिंक ऑफ द गॉड, डोंट थिंक ऑफ द साउल, जस्ट थिंक व्हाट यू डू द डीड्स प्रॉपरली, you will live a happy life. Don't think about the God or about the soul that I will do this, I will get this. मैं भगवान के लिए इतना करूँगा तो इतना कुछ मुझे मिलेगा. डोंट डू. एक सही चीज़ करो. समायक दर्शन मीन्स व्हाट? टू गो टू अ राइट पाथ. दैट ही इज ट्राइंग टू टेल. According to him, if there was a God, sorrows would not have been there. Instead of indulging in welfare of soul, one should live a virtuous life in the present. Instead of indulging, instead of thinking of negativeness, indulgence yani to think of negative, not to think of negativeness. Don't think negatively, just think of the present life and live a virtuous life. Virtuous life means a high standard life. Live a high standard life. Don't think negatively, think positively and live your present life very peacefully. Second thing he has given here, that is opposition to the rituals. Rituals means what? Rules and regulation. जो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना, many of the religions is having their rules and regulation. Different types of religion are there and they have their rules and regulation, or we can say rasm rivaj. That is the thing. Hindi word is a rasm rivaj, right? Now he opposed the rituals performed in Hinduism and sacrifice of animals in the yagna. He told that don't follow the rules and regulation. He, in the Hinduism, he told to sacrifice animals. Sometimes we give we kill the animal, bali dete, right? So that is the thing. So don't do that thing. Why you are killing the animals? The reason is nothing. Is God telling you to kill the animal? No. Then why are you killing the animal? So that is what he has explained here. Next thing he told that don't do the non-violence. Non-violence, लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं करना है. is the highest value. Non-violence is the highest value. Don't do that thing. The greatest duty of the human being, what is the main duty of the human being, is to treat animals also very nicely. Not non-violently, that you have to beat the animals, you have to kill the animals. Don't do that thing. So that is what he has explained in the second point. In the third point, he has explained about opposition of discrimination of high and low. Discrimination means rich and poor, एजुकेटेड एंड नॉन एजुकेटेड. दैट थिंग ही हैज़ टोल्ड. भेदभाव जो हम लोग करते हैं, दैट ही इज़ नॉट अ गुड बॉय और शी इज़ नॉट अ गुड गर्ल. डोंट डू दैट थिंग. लीव ऑल टुगेदर. लीव अ लाइफ. लिविंग अ लाइफ विथ एवरी वन इज़ अ गुड लाइफ, ही हैज़ टोल्ड. डोंट थिंक दैट ही इज़ अ रिच, ही इज़ अ पुअर. डोंट थिंक लाइक दैट. At this time, Hinduism was divided into the four varnas. Hinduism was divided into four varnas, that were Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. The Buddha opposes this system. He said, we are being born as a human being in a high family does not mean a great thing. We are the human being. We are born in a high family. If you have born in a high family, in a rich family, it doesn't mean that you are a great person. And if he or she is born in a poor family or a middle class family, it doesn't mean that he or she is not a good. You are the great one because you are born in a rich family. It is not like that. He told it is not like that. Everyone are same. Everyone is a human being. Nobody is different. He became great by his deed. He became great. Why he was famous? Because of the work he was doing. By his consciousness, by following the path of truth and non-violence. Conscience and by his, we can say confidence, by the way of path of truth. सच्चाई बोलना, लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं करना, and a confidence. He was, and the work he was doing, he was famous because of that reason. He highly opposed the discrimination and high-low prevailing in the society. He opposed the discrimination of rich and poor in the society. Importance of woman. He told that Buddha gave equal importance to the woman as to man. He says that the path of nirvana is not only for man. Woman can also achieve nirvana through sadhana and duty. Here he also told that don't give importance only to the man. Give importance to the woman, and woman has a right to learn the things. It is not like the woman doesn't have the right to learn the things. He told that woman can also do the nirvana. Nirvana means sadhana. We can say sadhana. Even the woman can also. It is not like that only the man can become the sadhu, sant or maharaj. The woman can also become the same thing. She can also become the sadhu. She can become a sant. She can also become a good person by giving the preaching. So that is not like that. A woman is also given the great importance by him. Nirvana means what? To do the sadhana. To do the sadhana, to do the prayer to the God, to think of that and attaining the light, enlightenment, the knowledge, so that a woman can also do. Buddha attained enlightenment in the shadow of Bodhi tree on the Vaishakhi Poonam that I told you in Bihar. By acquiring knowledge, Buddha continued reforming society and religion in India. He led many people towards the righteous path, giving preaching of truth and non-violence. He opposed eating of non-vegetarian food and high and low discrimination. He died at the age of 80 in Kushinagar and attained nirvana. But his ideas and religion is still alive in the world. He told what he has enlightenment when he got the knowledge, when he was sitting under the peepal tree in Bodhya in Bihar on Vaishakhi Poonam. He got the enlightenment of the knowledge, and from that day he was known as Gautam Buddha because his childhood name was Siddharth. But from that day he was known as Gautam Buddha. And after that he started giving the preaching. After that he started giving the sermons to the people. He started preaching the people by telling them not to think of high and low. Don't think that he is rich, he is poor, he is educated, he is non-educated. Don't think of, we can say, non-violence. Forget the non-violence. Don't fight with anybody. Speak the truth. Go to the right path. Don't think of a wrong thing, wrong path. Don't go to the wrong path. He has told, give the importance to the woman. Don't kill the animals. Be loving to the animals also, because they are also, after all, the animals are also the life. They are also living a life like us. So don't kill them, don't beat them, treat them also very nicely. That thing he has opposed so many things. Don't think of that God is there and Atma is there and we will do that thing and we can do that thing. Just do the good deeds. Only the thing he has told that you have to do a good deeds. अच्छे काम, अच्छे कर्म करोगे तो आपके साथ अच्छा ही होगा, बुरा नहीं होगा. जितना आप नेगेटिवली सोचोगे उतना नेगेटिवनेस आप में ज़्यादा बढ़ता जाएगा. थिंक पॉजिटिवली, you will live a life very nicely. See here he has given, you can see the 5 Brahmins where he gave his first preaching in Sarnath. That you can see, this is the place Sarnath where he gave his first preaching, right? Now karma means what? See here, karma he has given that think good thoughts, say nice thing, do goods for other, everything will come back. What he has told, think good thoughts, think nicely, say good things to others also, don't say bad things for others. Do good for others. अच्छे काम करो दूसरों के लिए, एवरीथिंग इन रिटर्न आपको सब अच्छा ही मिलेगा, कोई गलत चीज़ आपको मिलेगी नहीं. You can see the animals also are there when he was just doing the meditation, sitting in there, and the animals were also sitting beside him or coming beside him. Nobody was doing anything because he was very loving with the nature, with the animals also. So nobody was doing anything. Now, four noble truths where life has inevitable suffering. What we are suffering, there is a cause to our suffering. एक लाइफ में सफरिंग तो है, दुख तो है, बट उसका कारण भी है. दिस इज एन एंड टू सफरिंग. द एंड टू सफरिंग इज कंटेन इन द 8 फोल्ड पाथ. उन्होंने जो 8 जो प्रिंसिपल्स दिए वो अगर आप समझ जाओगे तो यू विल लीव अ लाइफ वेरी नाइसली. देयर विल बी नो सफरिंग इन योर लाइफ. What he has given: right view, see, right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right efforts, right concentration and right mindfulness. view यानी देखने का तरीका सच अच्छा होना चाहिए. इंटेंशन हमारे अच्छे होने चाहिए, सोचने का तरीका. स्पीच, बोलने की स्पीच हमारी अच्छी होनी चाहिए. एक्शन, व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, दैट शुड ऑल्सो बी अ गुड थिंग, अ राइट थिंग. लाइवलीहुड, वी शुड लीव अ राइट इन अ राइट पाथ, नॉट इन अ रॉन्ग पाथ. वी शुड लीव अवर लाइफ. राइट एफर्ट, अच्छे मेहनत करो तो अच्छा ही मिलेगा. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अच्छा रखोगे तो आपको मेडिटेशन, अगर आप कॉन्सेंट्रेशन, इफ़ यू कीप अ नाइस कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑन योर ओन पाथ, then nothing will happen. Mindfulness, keep your mind peaceful. Don't think of anything else. Don't think of the negativities, only think positivities. That he has told in this chapter by Buddha. By Buddha, these are the things which he told the people to follow. Earlier, he has given this preaching to many people and told and changed the life of many people by this preaching only. And I still tell you all also to go to the right path. Think nicely. Don't think of the wrong things. Don't think of your friends. Whatever the things are happening, if you fight, sometimes you fight also that he or she has told me that thing, he beaten me, she beaten me. Don't think of all these things. Just go to the right path, right way. Think positively. You will be living a very nice life. Peaceful life, positive life. Positiveness will bring your life a change. There will be a change in your life if you live the life like this. Understood? Anyways, now here I am stopping my lecture. All of you, bye and have a nice day.